If you say, I keep 2 minutes talking and for us 8 minutes, I think this is why what you promise to the people.
You did not raise that in the email. Ikhlaf Saab said, whatever is written, we will agree to that. Do you stand by that? He said it earlier.
On the 25th April.
No, wait, right. Did you say, Ikhlaf Saab, did you say earlier, whatever is written, we will agree, we believe in Muhammad Rasulullah?
Whatever I told you, you have to bring 3 people.
Ikhlaf Saab, you're not answering my question. Yeah, we like Bhatt Saab.
Okay.
He can be the moderator. We're not saying don't make him a moderator. We're saying add one of ours so that it's equal.
Let me speak. You are now here in our venue.
Yes.
We are not in your venue. You are at our venue.
The only debate is on the moderator.
Yes.
So that's what
moderator is only for timing. No problem with it.
But they're saying that if I'm here, then
then both can hold the time. Bring you, he can sit and hold the time, same time.
Yeah.
Maybe 1 second difference.
Perfect, good.
Perfect.
Ibrahim Saab is very good at solutions. He solved the first problem.
Bring him.
He has solved the second problem now.
Bring a moderator.
Bring a person here to keep.
This is the decision of the community that no person that has left the Jamaat will be allowed to be here.
Okay.
I think the one issue is that you're currently using our feed.
There was no discussion on this. This is completely out of the blue, and we never agreed to anything on this.
No. He doesn't decide here. It's our venue. Stop the internet. Recording should be stopped.
We agreed to this.
Yes, you agreed to this.
They can start.
Yes.
Razi.
Ikhlaf Saab, you agreed to this.
Razi, what?
The issue was that they
The live stream.
Our live stream to live stream on their channels.
Yeah.
Didn't allow
That's
it.
what wasn't allowed.
No, so what I said about that is that has never been issue before between us.
It is issue. It was always an issue.
We have made mutually, myself and Razi.
Adnan, why
we
you,
have live
Adnan?
streamed
This is your
together.
private. This is your private.
I'm going to
This is
end
not
it.
good,
I'm
Mehman
going to
Nawazi.
You cannot.
We are your guests. You're not treating us like guests. You're treating us like
I never saw
like
guests.
prisoners.
I never saw guests attacking his host.
You keep saying you're here,
Wait,
you're
one
here,
second,
you're
please.
here.
Give me 1 second.
This is not
1
good
second.
behavior. This time I don't understand why it is so special to bring up this issue and delay the debate. I don't understand. You have the courage. If you have the courage, debate those topics
Wait,
today.
I have now a
Topics did you
solution.
You will never debate those topics.
Did you
I have a
announce?
solution.
You have the
I have a
so
solution.
let's go by my speech.
Wait,
Let me tell you.
which
Let's go by
topics
my
did you
speech.
announce that we would debate those
okay.
topics? You
Do you
didn't
want to
say
go by
that.
my speech?
Which topics?
You want to go by my speech?
Did you announce you would
Are you
debate?
sure you will stand by my speech?
This is getting a bit out of
You
hand.
want to choose. You want to pick 15 seconds and beat your drums on those 15 seconds. Don't do that. Don't do that.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Welcome to all of our viewers who are tuned in for this debate. I just want to briefly mention we've not started the debate. There's a couple of things we just need to finalize, and so we didn't want the audience to get confused to what this discussion is. So we just need to agree on a couple of things. So we're going to have that dialogue now, again amicably, in a kind of well-mannered way, and then inshallah when we officially start I will announce that we're officially starting. So I will pass on to Raheel Saab and then we can have a dialogue about what you want to do, or Ibrahim Saab.
So we have some concerns that we wanted to address. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillah. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah amma ba'd. So first of all, I would like to thank your team for facilitating this, for inviting us to your venue. And this is the first time we are debating your team officially from UK Islam team face to face, right? We've done face-to-face debates before, and we want to have a very good example of Ahmadi Muslim dialogue as we see it, right? So we were discussing the prospect of having equality on the panel, okay? The email is very clear, the email that was sent to you. It stated, as I understand, that 2 debaters from each side, right? Ibrahim Ikhlaf Saab earlier stated that we believe in the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we will stick to our word as the agreement was put down on the email. So the email states 2 debaters from each side, right? It doesn't say that. We can maybe look into it.
Okay.
أشهد لا إله إلا الله. Can I respond?
Yes.
أشهد لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I want, as I told you, we are following Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, Muhammad al-Mustafa, Khatim al-Nabiyyin sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Therefore, we keep our words. I humbly request you to keep your words as well. Whenever you make a promise, keep your promises. And in this case, we don't want to go into depth in this. Just read out exactly what has been agreed between us. You agreed on more things. We come later on this. If you read what the agreement is, for that everyone can listen to this.
So the email was sent on the 24th of February to Muhammad Imtiaz's email. On 23rd of April 2026, we responded to your video challenge for a face-to-face debate in London. In your challenge, you requested that the debate take place within 10 days from 19th April 2026. However, when we arranged the necessary logistics and proposed 28th April 2026, you did not proceed in line with your initial commitment. We have already secured a venue in London, which may now require adjustment to accommodate the revised arrangements. As you can see, we had to change the date, and we are prepared to do so. So we made the change, now we're here. Now the next part is the most important part, as Ibrahim Sahib mentioned before, because as Muslims, we need to stick to our word. A believer is his word. And ya ayyuhalladhina amanu qulu qawlan sadida. You may bring up to three additional individuals, strictly for filming purposes. They will not participate in the discussion. In the interest of ensuring that this debate proceeds, we accept your proposed date of Wednesday, 29th April at 5:15. So we had booked the venue, we had to change the venue, we had to change the date for you, despite the fact that you had announced at Hyde Park, and we have the video, inshallah. Ibrahim, so if I can play that as well, so that people can also listen to it as well.
I got it on the laptop, inshallah.
With the but I don't think they'll be able to hear us, man. If I can play once here, and then next to the...
Is it till there?
1 second.
Choose the venue. Imran bhai, no problem for us.
Imran bhai, let's not make it neutral ground.
Yeah.
Let's make it their grounds, their murabbis, their moderators.
Yeah.
We take 2 minutes, they take 8 minutes.
Choose the venue.
You want to do that?
So this is what you said?
Now, Rahid, before you continue,
Yes.
On this matter, Adnan is telling us, قُولُوا قَوْلًا سَدِيدًا. We as members of Ahmadiyya Jama'ah, Muslim Jama'ah, are always keeping our words. In fact, Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, you cannot even lie as a joke. Not even lie as a joke. Everyone heard it very well. He said exactly as if I were 2 minutes for us, and how much for 2 minutes for them?
8 minutes.
He said, Adnan mentioned 2 minutes for them and 8 minutes for us. Then if you are so convinced and you try to deceive the mass public among Muslims and telling them, as if 10 defeats 100, 100 defeat 1,000, no problem. If you feel min al-a'laun, then keep 2 minutes.
Okay.
If you say, I keep 2 minutes talking and for us 8 minutes, I think this is why what you promise to the people.
Thank you. So now coming to that, you did not raise that in the email. Ikhlaf Saab said, whatever is written, we will agree to that. Do you stand by that? He said it earlier.
What did I say?
He said, whatever is written, we will agree with that.
I said very clearly, we agreed.
Are you denying what I'm claiming?
I'm going to, don't put in my words in my mouth. Let's keep it very short. We said, from your side, 3 people are going to film.
Do you said whatever is written, we will agree?
On the 25th April.
No, wait, right. Did you say, Ikhlaf Saab, did you say earlier, whatever is written, we will agree, we believe in Muhammad Rasulullah?
Whatever I told you, you have to bring 3 people.
Ikhlaf Saab, you're not answering my question.
I'm again.
You said, whatever is written, we agree, we believe in Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
We agreed,
Did you say that?
We agreed.
Did you say that?
Yes, right.
No, Ikhlaf Saab, did you say that whatever is written?
No, this is not a debate, because the point is this.
Of course not.
The point is this, you're on the video. You're saying, you're telling him you believe in Rasulullah.
I am not, am I denying it?
Do you stick to this?
Am I denying it?
Why you if you're not denying it, let's agree with this.
So what I'm asking
if you're not denying it, let's agree with this.
Ikhlaf Saab said,
yes,
whatever is written, we will do that. We will stick to it.
What is the video?
What are you going back on the emails?
Was this a joke? This video was a joke?
Okay.
I'm asking a question.
Rahim Saab, say we are going back on our emails, then we can have a second discussion.
Why not? I read
Okay,
the
no
email
problem.
now. Okay.
Ikhlas Saab said, whatever is written,
That's
we
it.
will do that. We believe in Muhammad Rasulullah.
You go
We
to the-
stand by our
no
word.
problem. We'll go over
And
the
now you're
email.
changing it now?
Even
I did not
even
change, yeah.
Even
So, Ikhlas Saab, did you say whatever is written, we will do it?
on side.
Let him read out the
Let's
email.
relax.
Read out the email. Read out.
Can I say one thing quickly?
Just I want to read out the email second time. Yeah. Just this one.
Before you start.
That's one. It's going to take one.
Just one second.
25th of April on Saturday. On Saturday, 25th of April.
I'm not denying the footage.
That's the first email. It's the second email.
Complete.
Sure.
The second email, thank you for accepting the conditions outlined in your previous email. We will inshallah share the venue address with you on Tuesday. Prior to this, could you please confirm the names of two debaters, as well as the names of up to 3 individuals who will be present strictly for filming purposes?
Sure.
You did not stick to the word. You brought how many people? 10
No,
people.
2 debaters are in front of
Yes,
you right
but
now.
I'm saying here, so people know
Yeah.
that we said 2 people and 3, 4.
But let me
We said don't share the venue as well.
We said don't share the location with anyone else.
No, absolutely. We stand by our word. We
when
understood
10 people turn
three
up-
people apart from the 2 debaters, right?
You may bring up to 3.
And we did not think that you will count the camera.
Just
the,
including camera strictly.
strictly for
I think
filming
if
purposes.
with time, because we don't
Okay,
talk
it's,
over each other.
we can say it's a misunderstanding.
Okay.
We can say, make it easy so that we start Imtiaz and start instead of starting to fight. I am
fight.
right, you are right, you are right, am I? What we should do now, let us be gentlemen here and let us start. The only thing, what is left, forget everything. We agree now on everything. Point is, the video where you both mentioned to the people 2 minutes for you and 8 minutes for us. What is your view on this?
I said it, so why don't you ask me?
You what?
You are together?
Yeah, we are together, but I made that statement. I said many more things. You want to do those?
No, we stick on this now.
Okay.
It's related
So
to minutes.
you are picking and choosing specifically
What else
those
did you
words.
say?
I said a
That you
lot
will
of
give
things.
10,000
I raised.
You said 10,000?
It should be at Battle Futu.
No, he said your venue. You can choose any venue. We have.
Yeah, no problem with that.
Did he mention the name as well?
He said Battle Futu. Then after he said any venue.
So he mentioned.
No, but he
Battle
said
Futu.
any venue after.
Okay,
I think-
Khalid,
So
can I say-
now, in order to make this
Can I make
conversation
one point?
successful,
Adnan makes it.
we agree. You believe in a religion. We believe in a religion. Okay.
We believe in Islam.
Now we believe in justice. We believe in equality. Right. So what we do is we represent our communities justly.
Then take your word back.
No. I'm not taking any
Take your
words
word
back. Okay.
Then lima taquluna ma la taf'alun.
If you had
Can
in
we
the
time
email.
this? Can we time this as well?
Yeah.
That will be good.
Listen,
Let's
you can
time
see this? You
Maybe 1 minute each.
Yeah, 1 minute
1 minute
each.
each
I
side.
think at least 2 minutes to make a point.
No, 1 minute.
1 minute.
You
1 minute,
decide,
okay.
moderator.
That's fine.
1 minute.
Let Adnan Saab speak.
No problem.
Adnan Saab, he can see the clock. Everyone can see it. 1 minute.
Who's speaking now? Okay. So, Ikhlas Saab said earlier, we believe in Muhammad Rasulullah with a lot of passion and strength, and I agree with him. It's a very noble thought. We believe in Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Whatever is written, we will stick to that. Ikhlas Saab is neither confirming nor rejecting that statement he made few minutes ago, right? Based upon that statement, I will hold you accountable. Let's stick to the agreement on paper that we agreed on, both parties, and we are based on those writings, those agreements, we are sitting here. Imtiaz, you want to say anything? We have 30
Yes.
seconds.
So we can go, we have 2 options. One is that if you want to go by the speech of Adnan Bhai, so we'll go then by everything he said, number 1. Second option is we go by the official email exchange between you and us. Those are mutually agreed things. So either pick Adnan Bhai's whole speech for everything or pick the emails. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for this. Next time you see, when you want to hold a debate, you don't tell worldwide. You go on the showing off, not being humble. من تواضع لله رفعه الله. And 2 minutes for you and 2 minutes, 8 minutes for them. 1. Number 2, we are coming to Bradford, we are coming to Beit al-Futuh. You don't decide that. That's if there is a mutual agreement. You don't decide. I'm not deciding to come to your mosque, nor do you decide to come to my mosque. That is rude. no ihtiram and no respect. You don't say, we come to your mosque. We are not some kind of hooligans running to the mosque and come, we are challenging you. From this point of view, I can only say, and publicly everyone is listening, forget everything. We can only say, the fact that he said 2 minutes for them, 8 for us, shows he didn't keep his words. That he lied, unfortunately, he lied.
Yeah. Okay, that's 1 minute.
our turn.
Can I say something now? As a moderator, being absolutely fair, I think the point that, because again, I think
I think
all
that
of our
is
viewers.
unfair because
No,
you
no,
are
I'm saying,
not
I'm saying,
neutral
no, no,
moderator.
I'm saying
we're
neutrally.
coming to the moderator's part as well.
I'm saying this
That's going to
neutrally.
be discussed.
No,
You are not yet
So for now, stay out, please. Kindly and
What
with
the
respect.
point I'm trying to say is this: that if you
let
need
me
to
respond
decide,
to him.
I don't know. Before that, we just need to decide how long we're going to have this discussion.
You have to start.
Because we haven't even started the debate. So,
Bismillah.
yeah, till we say, we've got 10
Can I
minutes.
say something, Razi?
Yeah,
10 minutes?
Give,
10 more minutes. We have to
let's
start with 10
discuss this 10 more minutes. Give
10
them their
minutes.
minute.
6 o'clock
then
till
our
10 past
minute.
6, we'll discuss
Can I
this.
suggest
No,
something?
we still have to
Can I-
come to.
Can I suggest something?
Yeah.
Can I suggest
Yeah,
something?
he can
I'll
start.
start your
Yeah,
time.
you can speak.
Start the time.
Just no, before, let me suggest something first.
Yes.
Okay. So because I said that let's start the actual debate. Okay. I would say that let's take 2 turns each for this whole thing. Okay. This will be our first turn, and then your first turn, and then we can do 2 turns. In these 2 turns, we can just summarize everything about the past, and after that we'll just move on
To the debate, the
about the
details.
debate matters. Okay. So give me my first turn now.
1 minute each?
Yes.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Okay. Let me restart this. There you go.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Now, there are 2 things now. Number 1, that there was an official exchange of emails between us and between the Ahmadiyya community. In those emails, there was no such a thing that, there will be one moderator, for example, or there will be uneven teams. For example, I clearly mentioned that these are our 2 debaters, and in my email I said that you give me the names of your 2 debaters. Then 3 additional people, we stick by that. The reason people are outside because we all came from different parts. They just came us just to drop us here, and now they will drive back. In the hall, as per our commitment, there will be only the debate panel, be it 2, be it 3, and additional 3 people. We'll stick by that. Okay, now if you want to make the debate panel 3, we'll make it 3. If you want to make it 2, we'll make it 2. Thank you.
Hold on. So let me just reset this. So you got a minute, okay? Go.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The point that I want to emphasize is that it's not the first time we're meeting these people. We met them in London before, and this is the time to clarify that situation as well. They act like they're very nice when they meet you, but in reality, the moment you leave that place, they would send out a tweet stating exactly opposite to what was discussed there. The last meeting, they had mentioned that we stated we are 2 separate religions. I had messaged this person straight away that what he said is not right, and he agreed, and I still have that message with me. He agreed to that.
Make it clear
Then,
what he said.
No, he said we are 2 separate religions. The Ahmadi missionaries agreed that we are 2 separate. Nobody said that at that point. The second point being is Imtiaz standing at Hyde Park said that I called them that we want to meet at night. Lanatullahi al-Kadhibin. Nobody called. He asked someone to call me to come and meet them. And I'm at home, and we made time out to come and see them. So we're used to these, deceptions after. So we're requesting, please stick to your word. You've recorded a whole video, and we've responded to that now. So please stick to that word now.
So this is the before word. So last one. Okay.
Yeah.
You,
Yeah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. First of all, Ahmadiyya position is Tumhara Islam or hai Hamara Islam.
Speak in English.
Okay. I will translate.
otherwise, I will start to speak with you only in Arabic the whole night.
I will
Is that
this
okay?
is interruption.
These are the words on the other side.
This
Please
is
speak.
We have to
whatever.
quote him in the original.
Razi,
I have to quote the
whatever.
exact quote.
1 minute. Whatever you are going to say in Urdu, you are going to say in English.
100%.
Otherwise, the whole conversation, I will change it fully in Arabic. No Urdu, no
We have
English.
the Arabic personality as well.
We
outside.
discussed
no
it
problem.
together.
Yeah.
No, with you both.
Yes.
Fully, just everything in English.
I answered that as well.
What?
Start the time.
So can I
before-
request that when we are talking,
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
can correct us in your
In
own
your
time.
time.
Otherwise, we're gonna have
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rahil Sahib said that we are 2 separate religions. That's exactly what it is. Because Ahmadiyya position is Tumhara Islam or hai Hamara Islam or. Your Islam is something different and our Islam is different. We both have same positions. Okay, number two. What I'm saying is that now from this point onward, we are giving you clear, open two options. If you want to stick by the speech given by Adnan Rashid Bhai, we are ready. Then everything will be according to that speech.
And the topics.
And we know what it is. Now, second option, if you want to stick with the official email exchange, things which are agreed upon, let's stick to that. You can choose option. Now, next point is, you said that no ihtaram if you decide things single-handedly. You decided the date single-handedly. You decided the time single-handedly. So you did the same thing. Thank you.
Yeah, Bismillah ar-Rahman. You mentioned a quote, the Promised Messiah said, our Islam is different, yours is different. That's about the essence. Like, for example, Ahmad Raza Khan said, what does he say about the false gods of Deobandis, Wahhabis? I don't want to repeat those words because I want the mahol to be nice here. Adnan Sahib knows those words. I've discussed them with him before. You want me to quote them? So Ahmad Raza Khan, so you interjected, so restart my time. Restart my time. Ahmad Raza Khan says Deobandi God steals, he robs. Wahhabi Khuda, jhoot bolte, he lies, he steals. He says some other words as well. He even says he does homosexuality. Naudhu billah min dhalik. We don't believe this about the Wahhabis, just so you know. Number one. Number two, you said, Ibrahim Sahib said, everything which is written, we agree. He didn't say everything in the video that you said about these debates strictly that we don't agree, we disagree with that. He never said that. He said we agree what's written. Did he say we don't agree with what's in the video? He didn't say that. So that's one thing. Second thing is, according to that speech of Adnan Rashid, we're just showing you, brothers, that in Speaker's Corner, don't make these claims, and we want fair grounds. You think we really want you 2 minutes, we 8 minutes? This is just to show you that Qulu Qawlan Sadida. And inshallah, now you will be honest in the future. Lastly, you said, what do we want to do now? So I think now that we're past that, okay, so we can have the dialogue. We don't want things to go out of hand. Last thing I'll say, if you give me 5 seconds, you still shouldn't have shared the location. Whether they came to drop you or not, that wasn't according to our condition.
Okay. So now...
This is the last turn now?
Now let's decide what we want to
Two turns are done.
do. The last turn, Ibrahim said, you can decide now. You tell us what you guys think we should do, and then he says what we think we should do.
No, again, time.
Yes. 1 minute each, but what we should do now.
Okay, now about the past.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. Okay.
Propose what you want
about
to do now. Yeah.
Propose
Yes,
something.
okay. Now, should we go first?
Yes.
Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So, first point is that it's clearly mentioned in the email. We gave you the names of 2 debaters who requested you for the names of 2 debaters. We expect justice at this point, and I mentioned in my email as well that we are not expecting any injustice on your side. So if you want to go by 2 debaters on each panel, we go by that. If you want to add your 3rd debater, we have no problem. Then we will add our 3rd as well. Second point is, there's no discussion whatsoever in the emails regarding any moderator. You did not mention at all about the moderator. Now you want to bring your moderator. Now it's only just 2 options. Either no moderator, we can do ourselves, or one yours and one ours. Thank you.
Yeah, Rahil, you can say, okay, let's see. We continue. Everything is very clear, as whether it was on the video, bring anyone you wish, or whatever. We continue as it is. We are here. Mostly what we are going to do from our side, one person can talk, the other one can sometimes help. It will be one person speaking, then Rahil, one person mostly. On every subject, per subject, let's do it one person and keep it like this. Yeah.
So quickly, I've just been informed that you guys are streaming without asking us, without taking the permission.
You can complete, then we can respond.
Is this according to Islam as well? You came here, we booked the space for you, we accommodated you, and I've just been messaged that they're streaming without even asking for the permission. How can we continue?
In your time.
How can we continue?
I will respond.
Respect and all of this when you haven't even asked and you haven't even discussed? You said go live. You have your own cameras. We gave you the space. We booked the space. We paid for it, right? And brought you here. And now you're streaming without even asking us.
Okay.
How fair is that?
I respond.
Imtiaz, 1 minute. You have to choose. No.
Give me extra time, and I will take extra time as well.
Yeah, if you're giving it.
I think if we start extra time bit, it's going to keep happening.
Let's go 1 minute.
Let's stick to time.
Can we simple start?
Yes.
Let's just start.
This is very important.
Let me talk now.
Justice is very important.
Yeah. Okay, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Again, we want to listen the answer for the two main points. There is no discussion in our emails that there will be uneven panels, that on our side 2, on your side 3. Make it clear. Either bring it from the email that you have mentioned that, or you have to agree with us. Either 2 each or 3 each, number 1. Number 2 is there is no discussion about the moderator. Either remove your moderator or bring ours as well. Next thing is we will stick with the point that we will be all together exactly the panel and additional 3 people. We will stick with that. Okay? And apart from that, I really want to hear in this turn from the emails where you have mentioned, and I clearly mentioned, I said, give me the names of your 2 debaters, which is just this 2 in your side, 2 on our side. Number two, just 5 seconds.
No problem.
Number 2 is, please,
Time ended.
You asked for 5 seconds.
yeah, please either remove your moderator or bring 2 moderators.
Perfect.
Okay, can I speak?
Yeah.
If that isn't the case, are you going to continue with the debate?
100%.
If that isn't the case, you're going to continue with the debate.
That's a matter for us to decide.
We're not going to continue this any further. We've got your video.
Yes, okay.
Imran bhai, let's not
No,
make it neutral ground. Let's make it their ground, their murabbis, their moderators. We take 2 minutes, they take 8 minutes.
Did you say their moderator?
Yes.
Why did you say it?
We're not finished.
You still have half.
Yeah, as you mentioned, again, I think we should just make it easy. Again, shown from the video, bring your moderators. Very clear. That means 8 minutes, 2 minutes. Now, in order to neutralize this and make it easy, we disagree with certain points you said. According to you disagree. Let's now continue and start the debate. Just Bismillah and start it.
Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. As Imtiaz bhai said, we want nothing but justice. We are asking for justice, right? The video, if you want to go by the video, let's go all the way. Everything I said in that video, just don't clip it for 30 seconds and use it for your advantage. You can't have your cake and eat it. Let's go by the video. Or Ikhlaf Saab, your head of outreach, your head of dawah, sticks to his word and be honorable about it and do exactly what's written on the paper. We came by an agreement on emails. Ikhlaf Saab said that we believe in Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's why we will stick to a word that is written. Ikhlaf Saab can either deny he said this or he can confirm it. So coming back to the topic, we either have 3 panelists or 2 panelists. We either have no moderator or 2 moderators. Justice, equality, absolute. This is what I'm sure your teachers taught you. This is what our teachers taught us. So if you want to go by the video, let's go by the video all the way. Or we stick to our written agreement.
Firstly, Ibrahim Ikhlaf Sahib said we agree with what's written. He never said what you said in Speaker's Corner. We just mansukh it, right? This isn't like you brothers mansukh Quranic ayahs. This isn't that. So we can't abrogate that. Number 1. Number 2, what you say is also counts as written as well. It's in history now. The video is there. Number 1. Next thing is, look, we've been wanting this debate to continue, so let's not look for excuses. Now you're saying let's go with what's in Speaker's Corner. Then we have to open that video. Let's watch it. We have to write everything you said. We don't have it memorized. Can I just finish quickly? We don't have everything memorized, so we'll have to one by one go through everything you said and then look at it rule by rule. Right? That's what we would have to do. So, yeah.
I think he said that let's go by the word. I think according to him, a word is only says something written down. So if you say something on a video, it's not a word. It doesn't count. So you can say anything on a video and later go back on it and say it's not a word because it's not written.
Words have no meaning.
Our teachers have taught us whatever we say, qulu qawlan sadida, and we stuck by that word until today.
Just 10 seconds. Ikhlaf Saab specifically said, what is written, we will agree with it and stick to it. Written. Written means emails exchanges we had. If you want to go by my speech, then Razi said, we're going to have to sit there. You should have sat there. You should have sat there. You should have done your homework. You should have recorded everything I said in that video and then accepted. Be men and say, we're going to accept it. Just like you're clipping the clip 15, 20 seconds, then you have to take the whole thing. The Quran says, "A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, afatu'minuna bi ba'd al-kitab wa takfuruna bi ba'd." Are you going to choose part of the book and leave the other part? Allah has Allah is actually pointing to an attitude that you may be demonstrating right now. So let's get to the crux of the matter.
Before you talked about the mansukh, about the abrogation, in your turn, give fatwa. If somebody does the abrogation of the Qurani hukam, what is the status of this person in Ahmadiyya? We have to give the fatwa now in your turn because you said this something, okay? Secondly, very simple. Either go
Okay,
in time.
Jazakallah.
5 seconds. Just 5 seconds.
Jazakallah.
Let me complete.
That's it. Jazakallah.
No problem.
This is becoming very, sorry from your side, very, I feel immature. And you feel, you tell we are kuffar according to you. You get 2 minutes, we should get 8 minutes. Why are you worried? Why are you worried? You know, why are you so much worried? You alone should have 10 Ahmadis in front of you and defeat, because you feel yourself, you are at the right path, you have the dalil, you are the right Muslim, true Muslim. There's no problem. My opinion, my point is now simple. What Adnan says, written, including, of course, don't change my words. As Razi, I did not tell you, don't change my words, don't. We add what is written, including, of course, what you already. That's what we already. You said 2 minutes, 8 minutes. Bring anyone. That's it.
Okay.
And you saw the thumbnails.
Okay, before okay, how many turns we want for this issue? 2 turns enough?
This is why I was mentioning.
Can I propose something, Ibrahim said? Look, you take 1 turn. I'm not speaking for the turns. I'm saying can I just say proposal?
Yeah, please.
You take 1 turn, right? We take 1 turn. Then you guys go do mashwara. We go do mashwara. We come back in 5 minutes. So it's not we're wasting time.
For this 1 turn.
But in this turn, can they give us?
I think the next turn should be whether you agree on 3 debaters each side and 2 moderators, or the other option. Let's move forward. I want to move forward with the debate. Look, you have come out. You've spent so much time and effort and money.
Then respect
yeah, of course we're respecting it. That's why your audience and our audience deserves to hear the debate.
Yeah, of course.
We are here for the debate. So let's do it justly and fairly, as agreed on paper. As agreed on paper.
What does it say on the paper?
Okay. On the paper it says 2 debaters. Give us the names of 2 debaters. We have given the names of 2 debaters.
As for our debaters, it
so
will be the normal True Islam team.
No.
We asked for 2 debaters.
I asked for two.
He asked for 2 names.
We never said it.
Which means that you put something ambiguous.
So you should have said.
I put us on the thumbnail. Imtiaz said, I put us on the thumbnail. But we didn't do ambiguous.
I think you want good and we want good.
Yeah, but
you
Adnan said,
want the
don't
debate
say
to
we were
commence.
ambiguous. Adnan said, 1 second, don't say we were ambiguous. Every thumbnail was us
No,
3.
these are
So that's
I
not
believe
ambiguous.
these are petty
Sorry.
issues we're wasting time on. Let's get to the
solve
debate.
it. I come with solution for you.
1 minute each.
He has a solution. सुनने आपको अच्छा लगे.
You are confident upon the truth. We are
Just
confident
hear his
upon the truth.
solution. Let's see.
Let him speak.
Let's do
His time as well.
Keep every time, make it easy. Every time in debate 2 people, 1 should go, and then second sit there. He'll issue solved.
Okay.
That is
Sorry, I did not get this
justice.
one.
Justice. 3 of us, 1 should go, and then 2 per topic. 2 people. We'll say 2. That's it.
So equal panel?
Yeah, for each debate.
1 go, and then someone another topic. He
If they
can
want
go,
to,
and then I will
we
go.
just do fine.
There's no problem.
Okay.
Look, we have no. This is beautiful.
Good.
Good
About the
solution.
moderator.
Good. 2 debaters at one time. Now, what issue the issue of moderator? What are we
Yes.
going to do with that?
Yes.
The issue of the moderator.
Thing is-
What are we going to do with
Okay,
that?
my question is, look, what's the role of a moderator?
Regardless.
No, it's not regardless, because if the
No,
moderator...
but now we're discussing with the moderator.
Usman, did he not say we have no problem with you?
Yeah.
Are you going back
Now
on
we
your
are,
point?
we are talking to 4 people now.
Okay,
Because
I'm just
now
asking as a
from the
moderator.
same Jamaat, we request this be equal and just.
I know, but-
so if you want to have a moderator, we have no
Let's
problem.
do 1
Put
turn
another
on moderator. Timed on moderator, but you speak.
No.
First.
What I would say, not 1, at least 1 jawabul jawab, 2 turns.
Okay, go.
So who's going
Can I
first?
say
So
something?
I will go first and then we can complete.
Who
I think
ended?
we're decided.
Or if you can go first. No, for the moderator.
You go.
About the moderator.
So at a time, 2 debaters from your side.
That's done.
At every time, we have 2 debaters.
Yes,
right?
you 2.
So moderator.
Yeah, 2 debaters, you 2.
We can like.
He already agreed. It's
No,
on
we already
video.
agreed.
He said
Yes,
us.
we same too.
He said, yeah.
It's going to be same, no problem.
I-
We are willing to.
Ibrahim said,
Yeah.
We will
So
see.
so this is resolved.
Yes.
This is a good step.
Yes.
The issue now, moderator. Can we have 2 moderators?
Say
Or,
something. Yeah, on this
Please,
point.
no, the 2 turns, please,
One-
timing. Start the time.
Just as Ibrahim Saab, before the camera was turned on, Ibrahim Saab said something to you about what was written. You had said we have no problem with Bhatt Sahib. Did you say that? or not?
I have no problem with WhatsApp
Yes,
at all.
as a moderator.
WhatsApp is a very nice
You said as a
gentleman.
moderator.
No cross talk, please.
Can you please?
Now
sorry.
restart the time.
apologies,
Restart the
apologies.
time.
Restart
Restart the
the
time.
I know.
Please.
I like WhatsApp.
I know
Just
how this works. So we know exactly what you're saying. You said I have no problem with Barsab as a moderator.
I don't.
And he's very quiet, very respectful. His only job is to time the debate. He's not saying anything else in there. So we do not accept any other person entering because we had agreed on this. 2 debaters, 3 cameramen. That's what we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 people. You would have 5 people in the room.
2 debates from their side.
Yes.
Not from our side.
Yes.
Didn't agree.
But again, we have agreed now, for per topic we'll have 2 people. For per topic we'll have 2 people. And that's what we have agreed. And Osman Sahib,
25 seconds.
Yeah, you take them. You take them.
Osman Sahib, you want to say
No,
something?
look, I can only say this from my point of view. I know my responsibility. I'm not here to give my point of view or to give any sort of my interpretation. I'm just here to moderate, to make sure whatever the rules are, they're followed and the time is followed. Now it's over to you.
Okay, thank you. So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, first of all, Rahil Sahib said that we have agreed that 2 debaters and additional 3 people, right? So now the point is, in this agreement, there is no moderator. You brought this something as a new without talking to us priorly, right? Now it's our right, what we are speaking right now, out of justice, that we have no issue. But Sahib is a nice person, let him be there. But it will be justice, there will be 1 moderator from our side as well. He won't speak, just for the same purpose.
Yeah, we like WhatsApp.
Okay.
He can be the moderator. We're not saying don't make him a moderator. We're saying add 1 of ours so that it's equal.
Yeah.
Just to be just. We're still discussing justice. We want this to be just and equal.
Yeah.
This conversation, as agreed on paper.
So yeah, you can do your last turn now.
Ready?
I think we've spoken enough. What was agreed, the 3 extra people were for filming purposes. Do you want me to read it again? I've read it like 3 times.
Although we end
Yes.
this fully.
If you don't want to do it, it's up to you. We've agreed on the time change, booked the venue, prepared everything for this to take place, and accepted the fact that we'll have 2 people for per debate. Accepted that. We had written to True Star team. From here onwards, if you do not want to debate, just because your moderator is not here, you're more than welcome to leave.
Yes.
Start my time, please.
No, we have 30 seconds still.
You want us to?
wanna
Okay,
finish?
please.
You wanna
Go ahead.
But you interrupted. Don't worry. Don't restart it.
I'll just continue.
I thought maybe you finished.
Nah, look, if he's in the debate involving stopping you, stopping us, then you have a point. His job is only timer. We don't need a second timer. Clock is 1. Seconds will be equal on both sides. Let's get the dialogue to start, right? We wasted an hour on
No
this,
worries.
right? So please, we accepted your condition of 2 debates. We even abrogated his statement of 8 minutes, 2 minutes. What more can we do for him?
If not,
Right?
Razi,
Adnan
if
said
not,
there's
we will
so
end.
much on you.
I will end this.
He has,
Okay, no worries.
he has done naskh of me.
Can we just do the final from our side, what we have decided? Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So I want to say is this. So right now in this room, you are 4 people. Can you please confirm for me that inside the other room, how many people you have? In your turn, tell us this one. Okay. That in this building, how many people from your side? Okay. That's one thing. Second thing is, right now in this room, we are 2 cameramen, 2 of us. We still have 1 person to come inside, and that could be moderator. We are not going beyond 5 people at all. We are sticking with the 5 people. And because Ibrahim Sahib said that you want to go ahead, we definitely want to go ahead. As we already decided about the 2 on each panel for the debaters, let's solve this thing of the moderator as well. We can start. And please, in your turn, please confirm that in this building right now we're sitting, how many people from Ahmadiyya community are present? Thank you very much.
Jazakumullah. Usman Sahib, for keeping the time. Make it very simple. Number 1, when you go to someone's house and you hold the program in his house, you don't say, why are the other people in the room? That's not your business. This has been hired by us. When we come to your mosque, we are not telling you why are the people in the room, why are they doing this. It's completely wrong, doesn't make sense. Number 2, we made it very clear, his duty will only taking the time, nothing else. Number 3, when you made it very clear, not a written agreement, all what you said on YouTube, 2 minutes, 8 minutes, we are the ones, bring any murabbi arrogantly will do this. I'm telling you now simple. Whether you agree with us every time 2-2, for example, I go and next time I come, or the debate is ended.
So what's that about the moderator?
Debate is ended. I give you only now one time. Let us discuss instead of 1 minute.
Yeah.
It is very immature of you both. That
And now
you
he's talking about
let me speak. You are now here in our venue.
Yes.
We are not in your venue. You are at our venue. You kept, normally you record when a program starts. When a debate starts, that's why you record. However, your intention is always to show the world beforehand how our dialogue is.
How long is it going on for?
Therefore, I tell you, Adnan, very simple for you. Whether it's ended or we go, one will go, one of us will go, and you continue. There is ended. That is ended. It's our venue. You respect us as well. That we told you, you came here. And I think it should end then. No need to discuss it. You stop it. We stop it. We start now for the public. We want to start the debate. Adnan, Imtiaz do not allow us. They don't want to start the debate.
Ibrahim Sahib, just to clarify, I think they've accepted what you've said.
Thank you.
The only debate is on the moderator.
Yes.
So that's what
Moderator is only for timing. No problem with it.
But they're saying that if I'm here, then
Okay, then both can hold the time. Bring you, he can sit and hold the time, same time.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe 1 second difference.
Perfect, good.
Perfect. His duty-
Ibrahim Sahib is very good at solutions. He solved the first problem.
Bring him.
He has solved the second problem now.
Bring a moderator.
Bring a person here to keep time, no problem.
However, who is the moderator? Do know him. He should not interfere.
Of course.
He should not record.
Of course.
He should not do anything.
No.
He called the time, same time. Razi,
Good.
Can you give us the name?
give us the name first.
We'll choose one of the.
No, you should tell us
Did
the
you
name.
give us the name of the
beforehand.
moderator? No. So we will bring.
We did not ask that who
Everything is an argument.
You know, Rahil Saib, look, let's not argue on this one.
Yes,
Whatever Ibrahim Saib said, I appreciate that. That was a good solution, okay? We give you the assurance.
We compromise on everything.
No, let me tell you. We give
No,
you.
you've done justice eventually.
We give you. We
We
give
always do justice, and you
Let
do
me complete.
injustice.
Let me just
No.
complete.
let me moderate.
So
That's what I'm saying.
basically, but Saib, basically, whatever the role and limitations of your moderator are,
Same
will be for ours as well.
Absolutely.
We give you this assurance sitting here live. If he interrupts
In the debate.
if he goes beyond his role, he will be outside the room.
His role as a moderator, just
Exactly
like Bhatt
same
Sahib.
as
Just
role.
like Bhatt
That's
Sahib.
it.
Done. And
So
very
then-
good solution. Thank you. Thank
And
you.
then-
That means you do want to debate, and we appreciate that. So let's get on.
We make it just easy for you.
Yeah.
We are not afraid, except for Allah the Almighty. We are ready to debate 50 of you. No problem for us. As Jama'ah, we are the followers of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the Khatam Nabi. Well,
So let's stick
my
to
worry,
two of us.
no, Adnan. My worry, you are here in our venue. My worry is about you are the ones who are worried. You are jumping from the beginning, unfortunately.
The timing stopped.
There's no point of that. I want to make one.
Yeah, I mean, I'm very good at this.
I know. We all know.
We know that.
So I'm
No
holding
one
back
is
for a
better
reason.
than you than
I know,
in
but
distorting
I
words.
mean, that's why you took back your words from. But the point I want to make here is that this is the decision of the community that no person that has left the Jamaat will be allowed to be here.
No
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
We agree.
This is the
agree.
condition.
We agree.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think just to suggest, because now the time for
We accept
Salah is
that.
very
Okay.
tight.
You guys can go.
So what we can do is, we just bring one person as a moderator. We have wudu already, inshallah. We pray Zuhr, Asr, inshallah. We start the discussion.
Then we have to do the condition still. That's going to take 20 minutes as well.
We can pray Salah.
That'll be quick. Yeah, you guys can go.
Okay, so we're gonna.
And we can bring the moderator.
Let's finish
now-
the conditions and we can do that.
We can bring the moderator.
Yeah, moderator will
Do you,
call the
wanna, do you
moderator.
accept the moderator thing?
Yes.
Yeah, there's a wire. Yeah, take the mic out.
There's two options. Either
So-
you bring
so
an
no
operator or
problem.
I leave as one of you can do.
Sorry.
Look, my option is this. Yeah, we're still recording. Yeah.
Are you stopping the recording?
No,
No,
we're
still recording. We're still recording.
No,
Don't stop
you,
recording.
Imtiaz
You
sir?
stop.
Imtiaz sir?
No, don't stop. No, stay live. Stay live.
So
Because
I
this
think
is
the
it's
issue
done
is
quickly,
that
very
you're
quickly.
using our stream live.
Sorry?
I think the one issue is that you're currently using our feed to do
There was no discussion on this. This is completely out of the blue,
I know, but
and we never agreed to anything on this. In the past, Bhatt Sahib, in the past, we have both shared streams, and we didn't think there would be any issue.
No,
with
we
that.
were threatened to copyright from Dawahwise, and you know, your brothers just recently had
when
a
you take
debate with
content-
Christians and they copyrighted. When we said we want to use Dawahwise stream, you guys threatened us, we will send you copyright. Have you forgotten?
we've done mutual streams, Razi.
Me and you have,
Yes.
but this is
So-
not
so-
my
so-
stream.
So
This
why
is
is this
not my
new?
stream.
Why is
No,
this
no,
new
what I'm
rule
saying-
coming
This
up?
is not my
What I'm saying-
stream.
Hold
That
on.
was my
What's-
personal.
So it's not a major issue, Razi. We're recording. We're going to upload the debate anyway.
Yeah, what I'm saying is,
Yeah.
they
I
just
think
need-
we should, he doesn't decide here. It's our venue. Stop the internet. Recording should be stopped. We record only when the debate starts. This is not,
Yeah. Just sit there for now, brother. But I just want to give one proposal as well.
Osman.
Yeah, that's fine.
Osman,
Yeah.
it's for, I said to you, I will use the word again, immature and rude and childish to start to recording before the live debate with the whole world watches.
Why? We did it with your agreement.
Therefore,
You agreed.
We did not agree on this.
He's
We
talking about-
had no
he's
agreement
talking
on
about
this.
using our live feed.
No, Ibrahim sir, what are you
humbly
talking
request
about?
my team-
Can you ask him to clarify?
I humbly request, I'm not listening to Adnan now. When 1 minute, Suhaib, what we are doing, we only record when the live debate starts. No one records beforehand. There is no need for
Friends
it.
said we agreed to this. That
Yes,
was
you
the
agreed to
that
this,
They
Ikhlas
can
Sahib.
start.
Yes.
Yeah,
No, Razi.
Ikhlas Sahib, you agreed to this.
Razi, 1
Yeah,
minute.
yeah.
Razi, he says we go to namaz, to salah,
Yeah.
and the recording should continue.
No,
not for that one.
No. Ikhlas
No,
Sahib,
no,
ask us what we are saying. Ask us.
Okay.
Can I present the issue
We
so he
said
understands?
we recorded with your permission. You specifically requested don't start until we are ready. Until we respected that. We told our cameraman to start rolling.
But when the
you
namaz,
said-
when salah starts, are you going to record? Continue to record?
No. Why? What's the need for that?
Yeah, there's no need for that.
The issue that we raised is that it's not that they asked us to record. That's fine. We got them to set up. The issue was that they
The live
using
stream.
our live stream to live stream on their channels.
Yeah.
Didn't allow
That's
it.
what
we
wasn't
didn't allow
discussed,
it.
Now, so what I said about that is that has never been issue before between
has.
us.
It is an
has, when
issue.
it has.
It was always an
When
issue.
we have mutually, myself and Razi,
Adnan, why
we
you,
have live
Adnan,
streamed
This is your
together.
private. This is your private
And it's
channels.
not your right. It's not your right now to say to Razi, I'm responsible here. You are not allowed to put the live stream in your
Channels.
Yeah, your channel.
This is a-
listen again. You are not allowed to steal something from me. Same thing I'm telling you now. We are telling you now, and clearly you are not allowed. We did not give you the permission to put this truth and life in your channel. Can you?
I think
No.
you
I
made
repeat it
something.
third time.
Let him finish and I'll respond.
No. Otherwise, I'm telling you now, stop the feed now, immediately. We end it by this. I'm asking you now humbly, no need to put...
Can you start his time so that we
No
can...
timing for this. There's no timing for this. There's no timing
Otherwise,
for this.
there's no order.
We're
gonna keep talking over
I'm
each
going
other.
to respect. I'm going to speak here, and you should respect us. You are here with us.
You keep telling
we
us
have
this
have
is not
no,
good
you have
hosting.
no. I'm going to
This is
end
not
it.
good
I'm
Mehman
going to
Nawazi.
You cannot.
We are your guests.
You-
You're not treating us like guests.
That is-
You're treating us like
I never saw
like
guest.
prisoners.
I never saw guest attacking his host.
You keep saying you're
I-
here,
Wait,
you're
one
here,
second,
you're
Ibrahim,
here.
Give me 1 second.
This is not
1
good
second,
behavior.
Adnan said-
Asking
Ibrahim said,
you
give me
and-
1 second.
Clearly, Ikhlas Saab, you need to
Adnan,
calm
Can
down.
you-
Calm down.
Razi, I'm asking you one thing. Remove the live stream from your channel.
Okay.
Now, Razi,
Can I say one
Now,
thing?
can I respond to
No,
Ikhlas
Razi,
Saab?
Razi,
Razi,
you
you
can
can speak, no problem.
All I'm-
Ikhlas Saab, once we resolve an issue, another issue arises. This is not good. We're not getting to the debate. These issues should have been, if they were so important, they should have been discussed beforehand, and these limits should have been defined. You cannot live stream while we are live streaming. They should have said it clearly, and we would have done it. We have done it multiple times before, where we have live streamed.
Saying it now.
Wait, let me finish.
Let him finish.
We have live streamed before together, collectively. Razi debated me, and I debated him, and it was going live on both our channels and other times. This time, I don't understand why it is so special to bring up this issue and delay the debate. I don't understand.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Number one, don't talk about Maman Nawazi. I don't want to mention what happened when I used to come to your mosque, okay? Because those things
We had
are
food
done.
together, we laughed
Yeah, and
together,
the
we had
other-
tea
the
together.
other
I gave
stuff-
you a hug.
The other, restart my, okay, there's no time
There's no
anymore.
time.
I think it's
How
best
about-
That will be difficult
how
without
about-
time.
how
Let's
about
take-
when
let's
your
take-
Did I,
brothers-
did I hug you?
How about-
Did we have food together?
Yeah, how about when your brothers interfered and said, it's my markaz? You remember when
And
you
what
had
did I
to
do?
control them?
What did I
You
do?
had to control them. And then when they brought me in the room...
Razi Saab, what did I do
finish,
then?
Let me finish.
Guys,
When
let's
they
take 1
brought
minute
me
each,
in
yeah?
the
I'm gonna
room,
start the time.
closed the door and
Yeah,
told
1
me I
minute
should
each.
stop preaching on the streets of Canada.
Okay, Razi
Right?
Saab,
Let
what
me
did I
finish.
do?
Last thing.
His time.
Adnan said, we didn't say you can't live stream. I don't think you're listening. You can live stream. We said you can't use our feed. You have your cameraman. Feel free to live stream. We wanted to reach your people. You keep saying, why aren't we allowed to live stream? No one stopped you. That's why we said bring your camera crew. So our live stream, you can't use it. Just like you threatened us to copyright us for dawahs, me and you private debates is a separate matter. Us debating you from True Islam UK is a separate matter. You didn't copyright me, but Dawah-wise threatened to copyright us. You know this. So don't bring up Dawah-wise and don't bring up my channel. I won't bring up Dawah-wise. You don't bring up my personal channel. Right now, Ibrahim Saib's in charge. If he says no, it's a no.
Yeah.
Simple. No need to go back and forth.
Give them 1 minute now, yeah? Give them 1 minute.
So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Okay, first thing is, we have cameramen, they're here, okay? Give us maybe 1 hour or so. We organize the logistics so we can go live through these cameras. That's one option.
They are saying this. They
Okay.
can't do it.
You agree with that?
Let him finish. Let him finish. Hold on.
Saying no.
No, we can organize everything for us.
No, we should start immediately.
Okay? Now there are 2 options and you can choose whichever. Miss Tamar time again, please. Okay. First is that in the past, whenever I join True Islam UK live stream, it is live on our platform as well. From True Islam UK. Okay? You have never raised any objection.
No issues.
We just came by the same understanding, number 1.
Yes.
Number
Plus
2.
our thumbnails were there.
Yeah, number 2, as Adnan Bhai mentioned, that you did not raise this point in our discussion in the emails. If it was that important, you must have raised that.
And our live thumbnails are there.
And the third thing is, if you still want to do this, no problem, then obviously we need time, okay? Because these cameras cannot go live.
Yeah.
We definitely want to conduct the debate regardless of how late,
gonna move
okay?
on as soon as possible.
But now you need to give us time so we can ask people, somebody to bring
Yeah, this is
the
to-
laptop for live stream. That's it, no
This
problem.
is to facilitate the debate, and at the same time, don't you want more people to watch? Don't you want your word and your arguments to
No,
reach
we are not
our
like
followers?
you. We are not like
No?
you. We are
No?
working for Fillah, only for Allah the Almighty.
But-
to get viewers.
Let's,
No, no,
okay.
no, no, you-
1 minute, Sab.
Let him know.
It's your turn.
You're 1 minute now, yeah?
So yes, you have 1 minute now.
No, I think previously we had made this comment to you very, very clearly that do not live stream our thing. And you said, do what you want, tell YouTube. This was your response. You said, do what you want, tell YouTube, because you were commentating on it. And therefore, you knew there's some glitch there where you can't report it and it won't be taken off. So I know, like, in front of cameras, you're being very nice and all of this. But in reality, you clearly told us, do what you want. You haven't asked us this. You brought your cameras. Why don't you do your own live stream? You should have made sure that all the logistics and all this was in place before coming here. We've agreed every single thing that you came in. 2 people, we've agreed to that. 2 moderators, we've agreed to that. What else do you want us to agree upon? Everything you said, we agreed upon that. But if you really want this debate to go forward, start, because we gave the people
start immediately.
we should respect the people that are watching. 5:15 we gave the time. It's 6:30.
We should start now or we
It's been
stop
6:30.
it?
We should start now, the debate.
Agreed.
Yes, and we shouldn't.
I can guarantee you,
Your time starts now, yeah?
I can
Long-
guarantee you, we resolve this issue, another issue will come up, and the debate will never stop. So I'm saying, let's stop all of this.
Yeah.
Let's get down to the debate. People want to hear what we have to say. Okay? There was no agreement between us to whether live stream or not live stream, whether you can take the stream or not take the stream. We are going on our previous understood, assumed or presumed positions that we can live stream from each other. We have done it. And I've never done a strike on Razi. I've never done a strike on your channels. Never done it. Okay? I've had debates on your UK Islam channel, which has got the highest number of views on any video on your channel is my video, where I'm having a conversation with your Murabbis. So you have to understand, let's move on. Please don't make these issues a reason to stifle the debate or to delay it. There are people waiting for us. We are already beyond an hour.
Perfect, Jazakallah. You want people to watch?
Yes.
You can easily announce right now.
Yeah.
To come to True Islam UK channel.
Yeah.
They watch it live there.
Yeah.
After debate is over, you can take that stream and put it on your channel. Because the purpose is that people watch. If the purpose for you is views and likes, wallahi, that's not the purpose for us.
Yeah.
We do not care if we go 100,000 views, 200,000 views. That's not our concern. We don't have monetized channels. We have nothing, nothing of that sort. So I'm being very clear, very respectfully, of course, that you tell your people, simply go on True Islam UK channel. It's live and watch it there. Because you're saying we never agreed. It's not about agreement. It's about asking first. That's the etiquette. You ask the person first. You didn't ask us first.
So I think now, exactly as Rahil said, whether we start immediately,
Yes.
I made it very clear, we stop this. People can watch, you can say, we are not for views, we are working for the sake of Allah. Let them watch True Islam, as
Yes.
he mentioned.
You can advise them. You can advise them.
We start immediately.
Yes.
So conditions now. We agree on this much?
Yeah. You have already advised people to watch on UK Islam. No problem.
You can
People
advise
watch.
them as well, no? It's
Sorry?
not for views. Can you tell them?
I will advise people during the debate what I will advise them. So don't worry about that. You have already done it. You've said it. It's up to people now where they want to go. Please.
And
let's go.
secondly, just for the sake of record,
Yeah, this isn't okay now. Let's move on.
they have blocked
Let's
already.
continue.
They have
Let's
blocked
continue.
our streaming already.
Okay, no problem.
Let's
That's
continue.
fine.
So
That's fine. So it's
let's
okay.
continue.
You blocked it.
before we continue,
We have recordings.
Before we
No, no.
continue now again.
no. The moderator has to come and sit here.
Sure.
Okay,
Wherever
just
you
with the moderator.
Sir, Mufti
Sorry.
Sahib, you please come here.
Yeah, you can just.
You can bring
let me
your
just-
chair.
Let me just propose one thing. Sorry, one propose. So there's two options. Either we have two moderators, which I don't see the point of, to be honest,
Or every time.
or we can both leave, and then yourself can just time it.
I can suggest something even better. Maybe in the first debate, you are the moderator. Second one, he's the moderator, and vice versa.
Yeah, we
What's
can do
the
that.
job of a moderator? Just timing?
No problem. This is a good solution. We are happy with
You
that.
define the job, we'll do the job. You define the job.
Yeah, one moderator from
You
your
can
side.
sit
one
together
from-
if you want. No
You can sit
problem.
together.
Yeah.
No
Sit
problem.
together.
Come sit here, bro.
Yeah, no problem. Sit together.
Sit together, whether you miss 1 second or 2 seconds.
No problem.
And now we're going to discuss the conditions for the first debate, right?
All the conditions are the same.
Okay, let's put the time, how much time you want to discuss this.
Shouldn't take long.
No, we have to decide.
Do you want some water?
10 minutes? 10 minutes?
Yes.
In total,
Yes.
Total,
Because
And
the rules
which-
are the same.
which means that 5 turns, 1 minute each.
We don't need.
Shall I read this out?
I hope.
No,
you-
what I'm saying is,
Yeah.
we have to decide how much time we want to discuss the
How about you
conditions.
listen to all the conditions first, and then we.
No, we should discuss
You can
how much
stop if
time.
you
So
have.
what I'll do, look, there's some debate rules. Let me read them.
General rules.
You can
If you have
take
an issue,
any
we
notes,
solve
any
it, no
issues,
issue.
and then we'll have time allocated to discuss if you want to make any
Go
changes.
ahead.
Yeah? Is that okay? All right. So I'm just gonna, again, for the public who's watching, I'm gonna read out some debate rules, which we're then gonna discuss mutually and come to an agreement, and then inshallah start the debate. Point number 1 is that the purpose of any Islamic debate should be so that both parties can respectfully present their views so that the truth can be established. Wisdom and good character must be kept in mind. No bad language will be tolerated. So that's extremely important. We have to stay within our good morals. No bad language, no insulting language will be accepted. Name the religious personalities that will be mentioned in your debate without insult. So say either their full name, or if you want to say their name, just say Sahib at the end of it to the best of your ability. When quoting Urdu, please try to give your translation, as this is an English language, to the best of your ability, and for our viewers as well. Once your time has ended, like we practiced, when you see the time is here, once, however much we decide, but once that time is ended, please just finish your sentence rather than trying to finish your point and taking another minute. Try to finish your sentence. Of course, respect the moderators. Now there's 2. Before each debate, the claimant will present his claim in writing. Obviously, we have the topics, but the claimant will present his claim in writing. There can be some clarification on their dawah. Adnan and Imtiaz will be debating, again, our scholars from the True Islam team, which is a platform of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. And I think we've established that it will be 2 on 2.
Yeah.
So at one particular topic, it will be 2 on 2. And again, if any of us we're as moderators not permitted to be involved. We are only to time keep and make sure you guys uphold these rules that we are reading. Now, the topics are as follows. The two topics that you presented are the Ahmadiyya belief regarding the concept of two Muhammads, the issue of takfir, and the status of non-Ahmadis according to Ahmadiyya literature. So these are the two topics that you presented. The two topics from the True Islam team is Khatmi Nabuwat.
Can you repeat second?
Their second one?
Yeah, second. No, the topics, please.
So the two topics that they presented are the Ahmadiyya belief regarding the concept of two Muhammads. And the second topic is the issue of takfir and the status of non-Ahmadis according to Ahmadiyya literature. Okay? The two topics that the True Islam team presented is Khatmi Nabuwat, that has prophethood ended in every sense. And the second topic is the death of Hazrat Isa alayhi salam according to the Quran and Ahadith. So these are the two topics. The format, what we decided before was that we will first start with their first topic. So the topic of the concept of two Muhammads within the community. Then we will come to Khatmi Nabuwat. Then we've done one topic each. Then we'll have a namaz break for Maghrib Salat. And then inshallah, after we reconvene, we'll discuss the other two topics in that order. So one topic each. Sure. Now we just need to decide. So again, I've read this out before you. If there are any kind of observations you want to mention, we need to finalize how much turns we'll get in each particular round as well. So that we need to decide. We'll give 1 minute each just to discuss.
Yeah. So is there a timing for the debate? That's fine.
So
timing you put.
So essentially what originally we were thinking was that in the beginning you have an opening monologue. Each kind of party will present a 12-minute opening, okay. And then present the claim of the first topic. And then we can maybe have 4 to 5 rounds of 5 minutes each.
So,
sorry, can you please?
So
sorry,
what I was saying, no, it's okay.
No, it's about the time. How many?
So what I'm saying is, first you give an opening dialogue, 12 minutes each opening dialogue.
Yeah. Opening statements.
Opening statements.
Yeah.
12 minutes each.
12 minutes each. Okay.
Yeah. Then we start with the first topic.
Okay.
Once you present your claim, we'll discuss that. I'm proposing that we have 5 minutes per turn, and maybe 4 to 5 turns per round. So, for example, if the first topic is the Ahmadiyya belief regarding the concept of two Muhammads, you present that, you have 5 minutes, they will rebuttal 5 minutes. Then again, then this is what I'm saying, we decide.
How we understood was, as you explained, 10 minutes opening statement.
Opening statement, yeah.
10 minutes from both sides.
12, sorry, 12. I said 12.
Okay, no worries.
12, fine, 12. Okay. Then 5 minutes rebuttals. Once rebuttal 1, rebuttal 2. Sorry, rebuttal 1. Then rebuttal 2.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we make our closing statements.
No,
Okay.
5 rebuttals.
So that's what we can decide on.
5 minutes each.
How many rounds do you want to do? That's what we can
4
discuss.
each or 4 in total?
No, so opening 12 minutes.
Okay.
Yes.
12,
Yeah.
right? Then 5, 4 times.
Okay.
Each.
Each 4. Okay.
Yes, but that includes the conclusion.
The conclusion is last. You can't present
And then
any
we
argument.
want cross-examination as well.
Yes.
We didn't agree to that yet. We can discuss it right now.
Yeah, we can discuss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No need.
So
But-
can we make it 3 rebuttals of 5 minutes?
Can I say something on it? We don't want to speak over each other. The
Yeah.
purpose of a debate,
Yeah.
a moderated debate, is you put your position.
Yeah.
You want people to know the haqq. You're going to have 10 minutes, 12 minutes. You're not going to rebut us. We're going to rebut you. You're going to have a conclusion at the end of it. And because if we go down that route, we won't let each of us speak. I know that. We've seen it so far. So it's best we stick to this agreement where it's moderated, it's respectful.
It's only 10 minutes. So why it matters?
Yeah.
Why it matters is when we do cross-examination, people get to see the strength and the weakness of our arguments, and it's not going to be the entire debate.
No problem.
All debate is timed. Only this part, the cross-examination part, and you're going to get the same amount of time. We will cross-examine and you will cross-examine.
Okay, yeah. My point, no.
Yeah.
From our side, we reject that. Where everyone gets 12 minutes, and then there are 4 or 5 rounds, you said?
5 minute, 4 rounds, yeah.
5 minutes, 4 rounds after.
Yeah.
4 rounds, 20 minutes, you can,
Yeah.
5 rounds together, including the opening.
So it's 7.
No. So 12-minute opening, and then after the initial 12-minute opening, there will be 4 rounds of 5 minutes each side.
Perfect, and that's the conclusion.
Yeah.
That is enough, no need to speak over each other. It would everyone gets a chance, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, respectful, ihtiram, and that's more than enough for the public. That is we agree only with this.
So before we proceed, the point is that you proposed a format We agreed with the entire format. We only suggested one thing, and that was there should be a cross-examination. Let me complete.
No.
Let me complete at least.
So Ibrahim Saab, the request is, this is not Ibrahim Ikhlas style debate.
Yes.
This is not you just here.
Yes.
It is on equal terms.
No,
we all agree with each other. It's not
But sir, we
Ibrahim.
need to time
It's not
this
what.
discussion as well.
No, because
It's not what Ikhlas Saab thinks happens.
It's not exactly what Adnan wants. He wants to overwhelm and
But that's what you
try
are
to
proposing.
intimidate. No,
This is what you're doing, Ikhlas Saab. You're
no,
doing
this is Adnan. The Adnan, every time. The time is not there. No need time, because he just spoke without timing. Answer is very simple. We don't speaking over each other for the public, especially Imtiaz and Adnan with us. There is no end to it. We know them very well. Keep it very peaceful and simple. Opening statement, 12 minutes, and then 5 minutes each. We 5 minutes, then you 5
Ibrahim
minutes.
wants to impose what he thinks
I'm in
is
charge
the best
here
solution
for my team.
So Ibrahim thinks
For
this is the
your
best
team,
way.
not for the whole.
Not
event.
from your side.
Ibrahim thinks this is the best way forward.
Yes.
We must do
You are
it.
No, from
dictating-
our
You are
side.
dictating everything.
Yes, from our side.
Yes, sir, we
no.
accepted
Yeah, you can.
We accepted everything you wished.
Yes, two people.
No cross-selling.
Two moderators.
No.
Huh?
Yes.
It should be a mutual.
We said you do not.
Okay, so that's what they've.
No, you don't have to ask
Okay,
him.
hold on.
We have the equal position. as well.
How a mutual agreement works? So they've proposed something. So now you can give
But
your.
basically, the point is, we have agreed with the entire format of the proposal. Entire format. We are only making one suggestion, and that is that within this format, bring a time of 10 minutes for conversation. That's it.
Both sides.
Both sides.
Both sides.
Does he wants to say something?
Both sides
Adnan said,
cross-examine.
listen,
You
look.
cross-examine and we cross-examine equally.
Look.
You have the same chance as we do.
Look.
Why it is important? Because we want to show public your arguments a week, and you are welcome to do likewise.
Yes.
Okay, so we want to show that your arguments are extremely weak as well. That's why we
Please do
accepted
so.
this debate and
Yeah.
kept challenge you guys.
Yes,
But the issue
sure.
when you have 12 minutes, we have 12 minutes. You have 5 minutes to expose our arguments, and we have 5 minutes to expose yours.
What's the problem with
Can you not
cross-examination?
cut me off?
What is
Can
the
you
problem
not
with
cut
that?
me off?
Okay, what is,
This is the problem.
This is the problem.
no.
That is the problem.
Ibrahim Saab,
But I'm
let
trying
it
to
be for
finish
10
my
minutes.
point.
This is the problem.
I'm
Let
trying
it
to
be for
finish
10
my
minutes.
point.
This is
right?
the problem.
Ibrahim Saab, 10 minutes is not a problem.
This is the problem.
If we have a debate
let me
for
tell you, let me
2
tell you.
hours,
Let me tell you.
timed, we're not intervening, and if we have 10 minutes in between for some noise, no problem.
No,
we don't
it's a
have,
problem.
We don't
No
have,
problem.
we don't have one topic.
Cross-examination
We don't
is
have
a well-established
Just one
method
thing I
of
wanna say,
debating.
one thing.
Yeah.
If there was one topic of debate, it made sense.
Yeah.
We've got 4 topics to debate.
No problem.
You said you want to debate
You-
all
you
the
said you
four
want to
in
debate
one
four.
go.
Yeah.
You're not getting the point. I can be here till Fajr. I have no issue.
So same is
The
here.
problem is we need to respect the people that are watching from both sides. We said 5:15. We haven't started debate. It's 6:48.
Almost 2
Because we have
hours.
not discussed
Respect the
these things
people.
before.
I understand, but the only thing that's left is cross-examination.
Yes.
You're still going to do your screen.
As I said, we'll solve one problem, there will be another waiting for us.
let's not make this a problem.
You made a problem. You made a
Look,
problem.
we request, and we want you to respect our request. Okay, we expect that from you. You are our hosts. Cross-examination is an essential part of debating of
No.
this nature.
No, it's not. It's
Debates
not.
of this nature.
It's not.
So what's your problem with
Many
cross-examination?
debates don't have
You don't want your-
cross-examination.
you don't want
You
your
have,
arguments to be challenged.
you have 20 minutes to cross-examine us, and we will cross-examine you in those 20 minutes.
Let me explain. Let me explain
He
something.
won't stop. He's telling me, Ibrahim, but however, Razi, what we discussed, are you in favor of it?
No, because
You're not in
that's
favor,
what
I'm not
ruins
in favor.
debate.
He continues to say me, but if you look, I'm also all the time silent. We're telling him 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. You get enough time to speak your opening statement, your rebuttal. Enough.
And also, especially after the 8-minute two thing.
Decision of fine.
Yes.
Just one
My-
second.
look,
Maybe move to
We
someone.
just talked between each other.
One proposal. So this is what the discussion we had was this: that the fear is that it's just going to turn into this. What's happened now, yeah? And it's going to be a lot of kind of over talking each other because when you cross-examine, you have a point in mind and you're trying to get the other party to say something so that you can rebuttal.
okay, I have a
There's gonna be
solution.
a lot of
Make it 1 minute each.
What did I mention? No. All I mentioned was
Time.
If that's what your fear is, that it's
What's
going
fear?
to you're going to be talking over each other, it's going to get too noisy. Then if that is the case in the first debate, then we can cancel it out in the remainder. But at least try it for the first debate.
Yes.
So, answer I
So
consulted.
I have another proposal.
Look,
I have
we
another
cannot
proposal.
even- we cannot even
Cross-examination, we
useful-
can do 30 seconds each.
Look how
But,
30 seconds.
there's no difference.
I-
30 seconds or 5 minutes. You
he
can do it in
spoke,
5 minutes,
I-
they can do it in the 5 minutes.
5 minutes are not enough.
Usman,
huh?
Usman,
Sorry.
Razi, I discussed it.
People have seen that.
I spoke to Usman, Razi, and Rahil, and me. It is now. What's the time now?
Almost 2 hours.
5:15.
Our time is also valuable.
Yes.
6:50.
I'm probably
I
the
don't
busiest
see
man
that.
here.
I have.
I am probably the busiest
I
man
have
here.
my question
Probably.
marks.
I said probably.
I have my
I don't
question.
know.
MashaAllah.
He
Khatm
doesn't-
Nubuwwat is very important.
Right.
Come on, let's move it forward. Let's move it forward.
Yeah.
Yes, let's move it forward. Come on.
Please let me talk.
Please.
Okay, who is busiest? If you were really that busy, you would have started long time ago. 6:50.
I'm trying to start.
6:15.
You don't let us start.
5:15. We start from our side. We don't want cross-examination. We give beautiful time. 5, and 12 minute statements,
Conclusion.
rebuttal, and a conclusion will be there.
Okay, so basically you're saying you're not ready for the cross-examination, even though there's a possibility it can happen in a civilized manner.
No,
If it doesn't
because
happen
I do
in
not
civilized-
believe. I do not believe it will go into civilized manner.
We should give it a
After
try.
knowing him for a long time.
Let's try it.
Okay, so that's
Let's try it for one debate.
المؤمن لا يلدغ من. What is it? You know the hadith. What does it
Yes,
say?
of course.
Okay,
من جحر واحد مرتين.
Yes.
Okay, I know the hadith. alhamdulillah.
جزاك
So all these I'm saying,
Listen.
is, let's just try it for one, and if it doesn't
I
work
think
out,
you're moderating. isn't
The
it?
way I see it is this. Yeah?
Keep it like that. Give the opinions to us.
We have a view in this.
You propose
can I-
he should go if you start with-
Ibrahim
now
Saab,
we're at a
one
stage.
second.
Look,
speaking.
Yeah.
I believe that side is weak. They know cross-examination
Likewise.
will expose their weakness. They don't want to do it.
Okay, can I say something?
And we are the ones who are arguing for it.
If we were weak, you jump to Hyde Park, do 8 minutes, 2 minutes. Why you scared?
I am
Why are you
absolutely not scared.
You are
Okay, do it then.
scared.
Do it.
Do it.
Okay.
Just do it.
Okay.
Wallahi, we agreed
Bismillah.
everything.
Okay.
No.
But that would be cowardly on your part.
No, you're very
That would be very brave on my part.
Wait, what-
I'll do it.
Do it.
I'll
would
do
be-
it.
it would be-
Wait.
Bismillah, do it.
Wallahi.
Do it then.
Wait,
Do
wait.
it.
You said wallahi, do it.
You say you say
Do it
wait,
now.
wait,
He said
I'm
wallah.
answering.
Yeah.
You said
I
wallah.
didn't finish.
You,
I didn't finish.
you said you will stick to the written rules.
I didn't finish.
You say we're not sticking to those written rules.
I didn't
we will
finish.
do it. So we go back on those.
You know, we said in
So we go back on those.
the deception
We will do
is
it.
on another level.
You think we don't have the courage and the confidence?
Then do it. Show everyone today. Take 2 minutes. Give us.
Why do you want to be
I personally
coward?
think.
You claimed it as
No,
weakest,
why
so
do you
are
want to be
arrogant.
coward?
Give us
Why
3
do you want
minutes.
don't
You think we'll be sitting
your
here full of
followers-
cowards?
Your followers deserve courage from you.
Do you think
Fine.
we'll be sitting here
You can
full of cowards?
cross-examine. You can say
Booking this
whatever
for
you
you.
You agreed to rules and you're
Anyway,
going back on them.
your moderator,
So
your
let's
rules,
not do this. Let's not do this.
your moderator, your rules.
Gentlemen,
अब क्या हुआ है?
gentlemen,
We have to pray
gentlemen, let's
Yes,
not
yes,
do
yes,
this.
yes.
Let's
You
get
want to
the
go
debates.
pray and then
Start
go
the
do
debate.
mashwara. You guys do mashwara,
let's
then
do
you
the
come back.
cross-examination. You have nothing to lose.
And then-
You are
nothing to lose.
You are brave, educated men.
Yes,
you
I
have
know.
nothing to lose.
Alhamdulillah. And
So
we
let's do it.
So basically, just a proposal. Razi,
La
just
hawla
a
wa la quwwata
proposal.
illa billah.
So are you saying that if we insist for cross-examination, you want continue? You want
No, we're not agreeing.
We don't
So
agree
you
to
want
cross-examination.
You want
They
continue?
gave two options: either no debate or cross-examination.
Just
You-
like,
okay,
just
you
like
don't
you
want to do
guys gave us,
cross-examination.
just like you
The
guys
whole world
said,
is watching.
moderators.
No problem.
One from
You don't want to do
the side,
cross-examination.
8 minute,
No problem.
2
You are
minute.
refusing.
No
The
problem.
whole the whole. Listen.
They're not clear. You're not
Very
clear.
clear,
Are you
very
refusing
clear.
or not?
Tell
Very
your
clear.
gentleman to let us speak as well. Can you tell him?
Ibrahim Saab,
Are
you refusing?
Let's do. Can you, just for the people, the audience is speak, I'm speaking now to the non-Ahmadi Muslims. The one who comes arrogantly and telling me in an arrogant way, bring every murabbi. We give.
Now this
we
is
will
gaslighting.
Take, we will take
Wasting
2
time.
minutes. No, we will take 2 minutes, 8 minutes.
Yeah.
Now we will tell
Ibrahim
him,
Saab doesn't want
keep-
the debate to
We are
happen.
telling him, keep your word. Take 8 minutes.
Let's
take
keep our
2
word
minutes,
and let's do the whole speech. Let's stick to my entire speech, my topics that I announced. You have the courage. If you have the courage, debate those topics
Okay,
today.
I have
topics
now
did
a
you announce?
solution.
You will never debate those
Which
topics.
topics did
No,
you
I have a
announce?
solution.
You have the,
I have a
so
solution.
let's go by
Let me tell
my
you.
speech.
Let me tell
Which
you.
Let's go by
topics
my
did you
speech.
announce that we would debate those
Okay.
topics?
Do you want to go by my speech?
Which topics?
You want to go by my speech?
Did you announce you would
Are
debate?
you sure you will stand by my speech?
This is getting a bit out of
You
hand.
want to choose. You want to
Getting a
pick 15 seconds
Adnan sir.
and beat your drums on those 15 seconds. Don't do that. Don't do
There's a
that.
solution now.
You will not be able to do it.
We will. We will.
You can't do this. How are you going to do
You
that?
can't do this. That's what you're wasting 2 years.
You're running
on
from
this. You've
cross-examination.
been wasting 2 hours.
Yeah.
Go on, speak.
Okay, solution is now whether we two things. One should be sacrificed, whether the cross-examination or the 2 minutes. He speaks 2 minutes. As he said, the worldwide, I'm able in 2 minutes to defeat Ahmadis and they can get 8 minutes.
He's ignoring everything I'm saying. I said stand by my entire speech. Okay. Why are you choosing 15 seconds?
What did you say? Tell us.
Why are you choosing 15 seconds?
It's on 10 seconds. 10
Stand
seconds.
by my
10
entire
seconds.
speech.
10 seconds.
They're not responding.
10 seconds.
They go quiet when I say
Listen,
by my entire speech.
وَجَادِلْهُمْ بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنْ.
Yes.
Where is it?
Likewise.
Likewise. Where is it in Islam that you have to do? No, because they don't let you speak. It's too loud. وَجَادِلْهُمْ بِالَّتِي
You're raising your voice. I
You
cannot
are as well, Adnan. You are as well. You raise
Allah says,
as well.
where is it important for us to have a cross-examination?
My brothers in humanity, let's move on.
Adnan, you raised your voice first. No one stopped you from your side.
Okay, let's not bring our voices down.
Let's
and let's bring our
Mufti
spirits
side.
down.
You have to do Adhan here.
down.
Did he not raise his voice? 1 second. When he raised his voice, why didn't you stop
It's
him?
as simple as this.
Is this Adhan
No
as a
problem.
moderator?
Yeah, they're
Let's be
refusing.
fair.
We'll
Let's
have no
be
issues.
fair.
We will move
Don't worry, you
on.
didn't.
Are you refusing to do cross-examination? 1 second.
Go on.
Are you refusing?
We are
to
not
do
doing cross-examination.
Sorry? Okay. no
Doesn't
problem.
mean
We'll
we're
move on.
scared. It doesn't mean we're
Everyone
scared.
knows now
It
you don't
doesn't
want
mean
to
we're
do
scared. It
cross-examination.
doesn't mean
We'll
we're
move on.
scared.
Okay, now all
Let's
chatted.
start with the debate.
Because we have 4 topics
You
to
need to do
discuss.
namaz?
No.
Just 1 second. Let's see if I address
Condition
it.
agrees.
I think no. We do the first. How? He's
have
gonna
to
2
pray.
hours. 2 hours. Yeah. We have to pray.
The whole thing is going to take 4 hours, 20 minutes.
And he
The whole
himself
thing will
was
take 4 hours, 20 minutes.
No, Mufti said Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam sometimes used to raise his voice as well.
No more
You know those
discussion.
ahadith.
We have agreed
So
now. We have
be
agreed.
careful with your fatwa here.
We have agreed.
Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam raised his voice as well for Tawheed.
I think we agreed now. That's
We have agreed.
Let's
We're
all
moving on
keep
to the
our voice
debates
down.
now.
Adnan said,
So now-
Adnan said, please voice down and us as well, please.
How many minutes? 50 minutes for salah break, and then we can come back and start the first debate.
10 minutes for salah and we're coming back.
But we need your dawah written before you go, or you can give it when you come back.
Let me just pray, inshallah.
But just for
So when I come
those
back,
who are watching, we're
we'll
gonna
give our
close,
claim.
we're gonna
shall
close
start
the
from-
stream.
Yeah, said you have to close the cameras. We will pause
Of
our
course,
live
of course.
stream as well.
Yeah,
So we're
you can
just
pause.
pausing our live stream. There's going to be a 10-minute salat break. Our brothers need to offer their prayers. So inshallah, within 10 to 15 minutes, we'll be back to the live stream. Jazakallah. You can end the media team can end the stream. Jazakallah.